Driver, show me both your hands. Exit slow. Face away. Walk back to me. Face away.
This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. It provides an objective analysis of real-life police bodycam footage to discuss law enforcement procedures, public safety, and legal aspects. We do not glorify violence or promote any particular viewpoint. Viewer discretion is advised.
That's you, my friend.
On June 16, 2023 in Dunalon, Florida, a routine traffic stop turned into a wild encounter. A man decided to flee from law enforcement, but his actions only led to more trouble. Let's break down what happened when Christopher North tried to escape the law. That driver pulled to the side of the roadway but fled before contact was made.
Kilo 5420, 51.
Nah.
025, 1 up.
Good passenger trying to bail.
10-4 passengers trying to bail. It'll be 1033.
Get away from the car. Get away from the car. Stop the car. Get away from the car. Get over there.
Show me 51, I'm right here in the seat.
Open your door.
10-4, 65, 67, 120.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Get over there.
Bach fled for a short distance before coming to a stop in the 11,000 of N Street. Deputy Bosniak conducted a felony traffic stop and maintained control of the situation as he waited for backup.
6474, he's going to be in front of the Walmart.
Get away. Get over there.
656 Marion on 104 right now.
You! I ain't gonna tell you again. Get over there. Driver, show me both your hands. Exit slow. Face away. Walk back to me. Face away.
Turn 65, 59.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep coming. Stop. No, nothing we can see yet.
62, 14,
North was ultimately given instruction to get out of the car and was taken into custody by an assisting deputy. During a search of the vehicle, deputies located approximately 85 grams of a green leafy substance that tested positive for marijuana.
No. Get back in the car. You ain't going nowhere. What's your name? Chris? Alright, Chris, listen, I'm going to read you something real quick and then I'm going to talk to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights, not answer any questions, and make any statements. Chris, you understand each of the rights that I just explained to you? With those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? Okay.
I wasn't even driving.
Hold on. Huh?
I wasn't even driving.
You weren't driving. You came out of the driver's seat.
I was just sitting over there.
You were just sitting where?
I was trying to get to a safe spot.
Okay.
So you were trying to move the car to a safe spot? Is that what you're trying to do? So you were in the driver's seat. You were driving the car.
Yeah, but I was just trying to move to a safe spot. So y'all.
So you took off at high speed away from me
I
after
don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to drive. Okay. Is that going to be your defense? That you don't know how to drive? Okay. What'd you take off for? What'd you take off for? You don't have a license? Is that why you ran?
Yeah, I don't.
Dude, it'd have been a ticket. It could have been a ticket.
I don't have no license.
I
don't know.
You ain't the only one. You probably won't be the first person I stop tonight ain't got a license. You think that's worth running like that? Jeopardizing people?
No.
North claimed that he was not driving the vehicle, despite the fact that he clearly exited from the driver's seat after the pursuit ended. Additionally, he admitted that he has never had a driver's license.
I wasn't trying to run.
You weren't trying to run?
No.
We'll watch my camera back together sometime, and you'll see how high speed you took off from me. And you can tell me you're trying not to run, okay?
I was just trying to get to a safe spot.
What's a bag full of stuff on your driver's seat in there?
I don't know.
Christopher North's attempt to flee only made things worse. Felony charges, drug possession, and no valid license. In Florida, fleeing from law enforcement is a serious crime with harsh penalties. Had he complied, the outcome could have been far less severe. The lesson: running from the law never ends well. Stay calm, follow instructions, and handle that situation legally. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.